Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilom ki khubor bam dagatsingi. Kajingeh pynbeit put hapdeng kejela Meghalaya bat Assam on pendep hapo uni usnem on la ban pynbeit lut baro shispa pesen lakam do Presiden ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Meghalaya ba Ernest Mauri ha kajingeh kendu shikilat pathai kubor min haka sandrik ujilio. Utai Presiden habakam bat ai jingero yo konrat kisang ma menteri rang ba kejela ulaong ba kini kajingeh pynbeit put hapdeng Meghalaya bat Assam kalasdang hadin kajing shimkhia menteri rang ba adu kari India Narendra Modi hadin ba ulawan pai biang hakabor ha usnem arhajar khat kendai. Hadin kajing shimti biang Narendra Modi kum menteri rang ba adu kari India ha usnem arhajar khat kendai ula banjur ba kaladon kam ban pynbeit nyo ya kajing ya kajapun hapdeng gijilla hapo kathan chatai lam ngi north east bat nakaliang menteri katnat kampo iyeng ka sarkar pdeng u Amit Shah ula shim kajing kit kli ban ya selok berki menteri rang ba jilla ka Meghalaya bat Assam ban penya chakmat e kajing pynbeit pun ong uba Ernest. Uba Ernest ula ong bahadu menta ki artili ki sarkar jilla kila depan pynbeit ki jingya ka japut ha ki hindru tuli ki jaka na ki khat artili ki badan hapdeng ka jingya ka ja. Lingba ka jingya soy ya ka Memorandum of Understanding MOU bat menta ka kenti ka jingya kren bat pynbeit saya hindru tuli ki jaka ya ka ja kalaya chakmat. Uba Ernest ula keno ba ka jingslem ban pynbeit pun hapdeng ka Meghalaya bat Assam ka dehi namar ka jingele politics ka Congress ha kapor ba ka synshar ha Delhi bat hakini ki artili ki jilla. Ulo ong bahadin ka jing shimkya ka sarkar pdeng bayalam ka BJP menteri rang ba ka jilla Meghalaya konrat ki sangma bat menteri rang ba ka jilla Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma kilakloi ban shim ka jingkit kli ban pynbeit no ya ka jing ya ka japun hapdeng baro artili ki jilla. Hoot kidang don katu kat ni ki jingya ka jah reina kaliang ka BJP ka ai kublai ki menteri rang ba jong kini ki artili ki jilla ki bla shimkhya ban sedang no ka jingya kren penben na ka benta ban wanra ya ka shongsuk shongsngan hapdeng ki pait ba jong baro artili ki jilla ula ong
na kaliang jongi kum ke parti hadin bangila ya kren bot prime minister mau hidlade ula shim ka initiative ban shim ni sarkar ya ka jakana ka sipai kabaya ba munjo jakana sipai domdai bo prime minister ushim initiative ban yo ek te jaka ka ba ban start sulo tamanta ka sarkar jongi ke BJP kala ai ke bisa kala entros ha ka tuka NHIDCL kila khot ni ketandar handai kadon pat ka local problem lu kabangam ku abanong la CPA ba idon sibun kijinge nalor kata ru sarkar kala khot biang yaki mentaki lai penbet ha ka baidai pat bal singkot tandar nakaliang jungi numla anong ye ka syong ha ka tuka ngi ngasutu ma kadon kam ya kajaka kamri equilibrium le equilibrium idon kam ya kajaka markum bolong himta ka dispute ingi tengko bat ki breu no po Assam kade ka cakaret cakariang ya ka klau ka petap kade ka cakar
ngasutu walaupun yang kami maupun saya nanti kita cakap tentang kai pada ni kampun di nolak ni orang ada apa mungkin hanya duk di jurulai kom tidak tentang malu kan pasal di
nadu beningkong ru nakaliang jongi ngilas ngukumen ba nakaliang jong prime minister nakaliang jong home minister udon burom ula ailat iki not estate bakini penbait paramaki tenga ai kublai ru yo CM ka Meghalaya CM ka Assam bakila simkia kini kam koplong long pending mentak laya chakmat te hak jing so ku jong ahi ngai jimut ik sarkar bahkan simru ya ki kot kisla ya ki dulir bat haka bekut nakaliang jong UCM ka Meghalaya CM Assam ru ongi lara dei ka chaka ka basong ki bril jong Meghalaya kan dei ka Meghalaya ya ka song ha Assam kan dei ka Assam ni habdon kata ka give and take policy kani kala dei ka jing penbait ka batmai jing penbait ka batmai ai bangin ngin kermen bangin support no ik sarkar bahkan penbait no ai kani bahkan undai su ka political issue kumbolong ni kren tampor election ai bahkan long ka permanent solution
Histan yang saya kira jonggo sunawar kita sama awak ini bila ada sepas itu semacam sepas boy
Am kaniya lang. Larang base ng tat kumong hindi pun bet. Kaniya lang ngila constitute iya ka committee. Agba ngila don ki member bat kumju nga presiden ng don rangkat. In ay ya ka jimut si sarkar. Amar ba sarkar kala ailat ya baro ki political party. Bakin view. Bakin ay jimut om tangi ki expert, even ki individual, even ki NGO, dan kino ki association dan ki political party. Ngirungin ay na kalian cumi.
Points to kanilang commission to constitution. Social policy. Kita di justification study bergerak. Kasi bila discuss ini, ladan lepas orang bila sudah tidak berkenal ini.
Ngila adep mansna committee kila adep summit syangaru, but nginang penbahasusu, amar bak sarkar kadang ay por yang i, te kumba kalalong hi, temantangin nang pengkrek nang syong susu. Nginle kababahan kabahatam na bentak state kejumi. Klem dan no silang kemat yenu inuru. Nginle akat kum kebentak kepada benle. No, we are not praising the CM. When we praise him that it is only this government who take initiative to resolve the boundary dispute. 50 years pass. The previous government, they don't take initiative. It is just election propaganda. They talk about boundary dispute. It is not in letter and spirit. So now they set up the committee and they went to the disputed place and resolved this problem.
Credit only for border.
No, not for
Any for all round, if they do good work,
we have to be
appreciate
positive.
You said
positive.
that central schemes are not going to the people and they are taking credit. So, are you going to the ground grassroots level? Find out what is happening.
Yeah, we always insist the government to implement in proper way so that it will benefit the people.
You also mentioned about $100 million, but how will you ensure without power, water scarcity is there, internet connectivity is poor? So how will you ensure?
You see, this is the new initiative taken by the government. When they present in the Niti Aayog, all development for the Northeast is under the Niti Aayog. So they have present their view that they want to achieve in the before 2038 that 10 billion. So we appreciate if they can achieve that, it will be benefit for us. Already the committee, they have decided and they have already finalized. Even the MOU also has been signed by both the government. So I think now we have to look forward only the remain part, that is six place. I think where we have seen that every time is occur some dispute between the people reside in Meghalaya and Assam.
Don't you think there's still resentment in the past? So that means you said 60%. Don't you think there's more to it?
No, the government has given time. In when they decide those fast phase, 6 phase. So that time people they should come forward, no? To put their suggestion or anything to the government. So now already the MOU is signed. So let the government decide. As you all know, we the BGP practice zero tolerance on the corruption. Recently, the Lokyota has charged the former CM of GHADC, Shri Boston Marak, who happened to be in the BGP, and he is a scheduled tribe Mosia president. I'm relieving him from all responsibilities with immediate effect and forwarding this matter to the disciplinary committee for suggestion what action should be taken against it. You are all awaited for the talk about my opinion on the resolution policy and roster system. The BGP has attended the all-party meeting called by Honorable Chief Minister and agreed to a special committee where our representative is also there. Now it is the duty of the committee to talk to all concerned and suggest the Chief Minister. One thing, lastly, I would like to say that a new parliament building which was inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji last Sunday, that is 28 May, 2023 was completed within 28 months. That is to no untoward incident happened either in the construction or we have heard any scam about the construction of the parliament building. Meghalaya Assembly, which was unfortunate, got gutted in the year 2001. Successive governments have failed to give Meghalaya a new assembly in all these years. I earnestly request our Honorable Chief Minister to see that before the next parliament election that the people of Meghalaya get a new assembly building. I'm deeply saddened by the news of loss of many precious lives in the train accident in the state of Odisha. On behalf of the BJP Meghalaya Pradesh, I would like to express my heartfelt condolence to those who lost their life and pray to God to give strength to the brave families. I thank to all of you for attending the press conference and I hope you will send the message of our party through your print and digital media platform and channel. Jan Dhan Yojana, which initiated on the August 28, 2014. Second, Skill India Mission, which initiated in the August 28, 2014. Indian Made started on the September 28, 2014. Mission Swachh Bharat, 2nd October 2014. Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana, started 11 October 2014. Shram Jati Yojana, started on the 16th October 2014. Beti Bajao Beti Parao, started on the 22nd January 2015. Haryadi Plan for the year started on the 21st January 2015. PM Mudra Yojana started on the 8th April 2015. Ujala Yojana started on the 1st May 2015. A total pension Yojana started on the 9th May 2015. Number 12, Jyoti Bima Yojana, Prime Minister, started on the 9th May 2015. The Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana and the 14th number is the Smart City Initiative, started on the 9th May 2015. 15th number, Amrut Strategy, started on the 25th June 2015. Mission for Digital India, started on the 2nd July 2015. Coal Monetization Plan, started on 5th November 2015. Scheme for Sovereign Coal Bond, started on the 5th November 2015. Uday, started on the 20th November 2015. Startup India, started on 16th January. Situ Bhartam Yojana, started on the 4th March 2016. Startup India, 5th April 2016. Gramode Se Bharat Uday, started on the 14 to 24 April 2016. Prime Minister Ujala Plan, started on the 1st of May 2016. Namami Ganga Yojana, started on 7 July 2016. And Satat Scheme started on October 2018. Safe and sound. The Honorable Prime Minister, from the time of COVID, Modi government is sponsoring to the poor people free rice, that is 5 kg per head. This scheme of Modi in Meghalaya is popularly known as Ukhao Modi, even though in many states the government not ruled by the non-BJP is taking credit of it by putting the photograph of the chief minister. But Modi ji feels whoever take the credit, but at end poor people should get the benefited. Roshkar Mela. The Prime Minister Roshkar Mela is launched by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji to facilitate the youth to get job at their doorstep. different union ministers, state chief ministers are distributing the appointment letters to the unemployed youth in such job fair. The Pradhan Mantri Kisan Saman Nidhi Yojana, PM Kisan Yojana, it is a government scheme that provide out to Rs rupees 6,000 per year in minimum income support to all small and marginal farmers. This 75 crore scheme aims to cover 125 million farmers in India, regardless of the size of their land holding. The PM Kisan Yojana provide an annual income support of rupees 6,000 to all eligible farmer families across the country in 3 equal installments. That is 2,000 every 4 months. According to the scheme, a family consists of husband, wife and minor children. The rupees 2,000 fund is directly transferred to the farmer family bank's account. There are 26 important schemes of Narendra Modi government. In this article, we have compiled a list of the Modi government major centrally sponsors. 19-kilometer Dhubri-Fulbari bridge is under construction. 4-lane bridge project over the Brahmaputra river connecting Dhubri in Assam and Fulbari in Meghalaya. The project civil construction work is being done by the Larsen and Turbo, that is L&T, for the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Ltd, NHIDCL, and funded by the Japan International Cooperation Agency, that is JISA. The project estimate cost of rupees 3,165.99 crore. It aims to reduce the road distance between the two states by 203 kilometers. All improve the connectivity of India northeastern state will the rest of the country. Not only it will be an important passage for offering easier access to the northeastern state international border, but will give a huge fill up to trade and commerce in the region for accelerated the development of all northeast states, especially in medical sector. The Modi government had significantly helped people of Meghalaya through the installation of NIA in Shillong. This institute has helped the people in Meghalaya in particular and Northeast in general to get achieve quality of medical facilities. It proud to say that students from across the globe are studying now in NIA. The institute is also exploring to attach the traditional medicine in its premises under the able leadership of Prime Minister Modi ji. The Nigrim is continuously getting a facelift to enhance its facilities, and new departments are being now coming up in the Nigrims. The Best Cancer Institute in Meghalaya is coming up within a short span under the Nigrim. The center under the able leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is in mind to make Meghalaya a hub for medical tourism. During the COVID management, Honorable Prime Minister have blessed Meghalaya with all facilities for air connectivity. In the last 9 years, have been significant for our state. All road projects which was started during the Congress regime years back was completed by Modi government during our late Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. The Jorabad to Umyam 4-lane road was sanctioned but was not complete. After Modi ji became the Prime Minister, he completed the project. The Umroy, the Maurungkireng, Deng Pasok bypass was only the election propaganda for the then Congress. Now it is reality after Modi ji came to power. During the Prime Minister visit to Shillong for a golden jubilee of the celebration of the North Eastern Council, he led a multiple project which include the inauguration of 320 completed and 890 under construction 4G mobile tower. The new campus of IIM Shillong at Sauli, the Shillong Ding Pasok Road, which will provide better connectivity to New Shillong Satellite Township. The Prime Minister also inaugurated the Spawn Laboratory at Mushroom Development Center and integrated beekeeping development center in Meghalaya. He also laid the foundation stone of inaugurated hospitality and conventional center at Tura and Shillong Technology Park Phase 2. In air connectivity, the Union government have made inroad to Shillong through its Udan scheme. Now Shillong is connected to Calcutta and the northeastern state through flight. The Aviation Ministry is also ready to expand the airport so that more flights can operate, but the state government cooperation is also required. Equally with boost to federalism, never before seen. Team India approach to work for India development. In a unique departure from the past, PM Modi has stressed on the need to leverage cooperative and competitive federalism to the achieve of all growth. For a long time, we have seen a big brother relationship between the central and the state. A one-size-fits-all approach has been used for years, not taking into account the heterogeneity of different states and their local requirement. The Niti Aayog was formed for further empower and strengthen the state. An important revolutionary change from the past will be replacing union to state one way. Today, it is a proud moment for us, Meghalaya, that our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, presented Meghalaya vision for 10 billion economy at the Niti Aayog. As our CM committed to take Meghalaya economy to 10 billion by 2028. Respecting his commitment, we Meghalaya need to be positive toward the growth of the state, leaving aside our political differences for the glory of our state. In 75 years of India freedom, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, of a peaceful and prosperous Northeast, strong political will shown by Chief Minister of all the Northeast state. We will make Northeast dispute free. After discussion with all state, the government under the leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has signed several agreements to end extremism and bring lasting peace to the northeastern state. I, on behalf of the BJP Meghalaya Pradesh, I express my gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and Amit Shah ji, the Home Minister, for the effort to bring HNLC for a peace talk, even within the ambit of the Constitution of India, to regain the respect and recognition as a nation. Once again, I also appreciate the state government effort to bring HNLC to the peace table. As the process is in the full swing, I hope within a short period we will get a good news about the matter. About the Manipur situation, we are all concerned. Thanks to our state government for taking the initiative for bringing back the student from Manipur safely. Honorable Prime Minister and Home Minister is round the clock monitoring on the situation in Manipur. Respected Amit Shah ji, recent visit is expected to be a significant in bringing back peace in Manipur. We all should pray that normalcy come back to the state of Manipur at the earliest. So the Bharatiya Janata Party Meghalaya Pradesh, we have called the press conference today. I will highlight the point wise. Let us touch first with the interstate border issue. After the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji assumed an office for the second term in the 2019, he emphasized on the interstate border dispute issue among the northeastern state. Union Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji has asked the Northeast Chief Minister, including Assam Chief Minister, to solve the boundary issues with the neighbor state in a time-bound manner. In spite the Congress for the last 50 years mostly rule both the state of Meghalaya and Assam, and in spite their presence at center, they drag the state border issue for their political benefit. Here, I need to appreciate our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad Sangma, who was shown a keen interest with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Shri Himanta Biswa Sarma ji. In a short span of time, 6 out of 12 issues has been settled between the Assam and Meghalaya. This is true in certain areas. There are still small dispute remaining, but both the state leadership is working out to get a permanent solution. So we can say that 60% of the border dispute between the Assam and Meghalaya have already been resolved. And I hope that in this year, both Assam and Meghalaya will 100% resolve their border dispute permanently. Our government at the center, under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, always say that development of the Northeast is not possible unless dispute between state are resolved and armed group do not surrender. You see, that is election time. It is a statement during election. Everybody give us statement against us. We are anti-Christian, we are so on and so forth. So that is election speech. No? But now, this government, this second government, MDA government, now it is just started only 2 months. So let us see how they perform, how they bring development for the state. It's too early to give any comment now.
Press conference. And that day, of course, I had a request to you that please don't ask any question as per the direction of our center. That was our Honorable Minister Fatima Bhumik addressed the press conference and presented the Modi government's 9 years performance. So I thank you all for being in this short notice with us. Today, in midst of us, we are having Ernest Maori, the most popular man the media has in this season. So he will be addressing today's press briefing. I hand over him.